How to turn off notification on ORBOT application. Are you guys facing issue to turn off notification on ORBOT app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn off notification on ORBOT app, first of all, head over to your mobile settings. After you open the app settings, just simply tap on application or apps over here. After you click on apps, scroll down and select ORBOT. So you can see this ORBOT icon over here. Just simply tap on ORBOT. After you click on ORBOT, you can see this notification over here. It's on. You are looking to turn it off, right? Just simply toggle this option. After you toggle it, you won't be able to get notification from ORBOT. So you can see this notification has been disabled for ORBOT. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to turn off notification on ORBOT applications. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.